Hey guys, Sak Passe. Welcome back to my channel. I am Erda and how do you do? For today's video, we are actually going to do a very affordable braided wig. I noticed that they're in style right now and I just love them. So let's get started. So far, let me just say every wig I do, like I fix, turn out horribly wrong. Like they come out okay, but I just can't put them into a ponytail because for some reason I always messed up the hairline. I don't know why, but for this one it's supposed to be extremely easy to install, so I decided to do a video on it, and it was like really cheap too, guys. It was $120 and free shipping. So first thing is first is the wig cap, and for the wig it is glueless, or if you want to glue it first, I'm using this extra light old wig cap because I ordered a whole bunch of them from AliExpress and I chose the wrong skin tone. Like, yeah, I chose the wrong color, but however, whenever I use it, I always put some foundation toward the beginning, so that's why I'm using it. The wig, did you guys hear that? Welcome to life in the city. The wig did come with a dark brown wig cap, which is literally perfect, but I want to make those work because I have so much of them first. So this right now is going away, and then it came with a little bit of jewelry, stuff like that. And yeah, let's get started. It is almost 11 o'clock, as you guys can probably see behind me. Why is there somebody riding a motorcycle right now? I thought I had enough of this in the morning. Anyways, I'm gonna put my wig on. I was gonna do a bald cap, but I'm not, only because in the summer I don't like having wigs weave on my head, only because of the heat. Only in the winter, and even in the winter it feels mad uncomfortable. Like, I think it's because I'm not used to sleeping with it. It feels mad uncomfortable, and I'll probably yank it out in my sleep, so I'm not gonna do a bald cap. Just gonna install this. So first thing is first, I saw this wig company. It is black owned, which is right now something I'm trying to support. My bestest, is that a word? Like, I'm trying to support black owned businesses, only because I don't know, I just feel like I have my reasons. Some of them are personal. The way the Africans, Nigerians are being treated in China. I'm not African, I am Haitian, but again, they capture slaves from Africa to sell to the French, so I'm African descent, even though, like, okay, like, I'm not gonna get to my history, but I consider African people like my cousins or something like that. Like, you mess with them, you also mess with me, because it's the motherland. I believe that, even though I'm Haitian, if I go back way, a few hundred years back, I'm gonna live back in Africa. So I don't like the way the Chinese people treat Nigerians there, the Africans there. But again, as blacks, I feel like almost everywhere we go, we get mistreated. So it upsets me. So I try my best to support black businesses instead of other races selling our stuff. So I was on Facebook where I saw an ad for this company, and I love the wig. It had like many different wigs, different colors, and I just love it. But at first I'm like, is it legit? Because I have purchased a few things from Facebook that was not what they seemed. They're just completely different, horrible. And I'm pretty sure a lot of us have. So when I saw it, I was like reading the reviews. Obviously they're gonna have nice reviews. And then the wig was actually kind of cheap they were having like a 50% sale, and the wig in total became I believe $120 with shipping and stuff like that. So, and one thing they said, it was like easy install, it can be glueless, which is perfect for me because I'm a student, so I just don't like spending time on my hair. I'm trying for it to leave my hair alone so it can grow. So right now it's perfect, and the easy install, like I said before, I have messed up 2 wigs before. How? I don't know. I'm supposed to keep try again, but you know, this one is a easy install, so let's hope that it is. And the moment you've been waiting for, the wig company is this Braids Queen. And there's like so many different styles, you guys. There's braids, there's twists, there's different colors, there's different styles. Inside was this, and the wig was in a different like fishnet thing, but I removed it. And yeah, it has the strap for extra secure, and the wig, it is in 1B, like the color. Like as you can see, the style I decided to go with is twists. I love twists. I'm not sure if you noticed, but my hair was in twists before I put the cap on. I love twists. So before I cut the lace, I'm just gonna push the baby's hair. The baby hair is back. And fingers crossed, guys, I don't mess this up, because I mean, I can't use the hair to cover where I mess up like in the past wigs. Okay, first thing is first, I'm just gonna remove, you know, the label. So as for the baby hairs, I feel like they're too long, but before I cut them, I want to try to see if I can fix them first. And I have my handy dandy trim, so let's see. And if you're wondering if I'm good, the joke's on you. Okay, so I kind of did baby hairs. This is how it's looking like. I feel like I can kind of see the wig cap. It's very lightweight, it's very secure. I'm gonna wait till the morning. Maybe you guys might have a clearer picture, not like a view. Okay guys, it is now morning. I am halfway outside kind of, and this is how it's looking like. I'm not really good with baby hairs, so yeah, but it's like really long, like yeah, it's really long, and the fact that I was able to install it, and yes, it's still glueless, as you guys can see. I just need to do a little bit more work right here, but other than that, it doesn't look like it. I like that side better than that side, like with the baby hair and everything. Like that side looks more natural than that side, but I still got baby hair. So here it is. I showed you guys the length, and it is so lightweight, you guys. I like it, except for this part right here that keeps on lifting up, but again, I didn't put any glue there, so how could it not? I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but I cut the baby hair, like they were mad long. I cut them. I'm going to put some more gel here to fix those, and I tried to make the swoop like this, but it did not work. So comment, like, subscribe, bye.